Last thing to do, change the filter, hang up the winter coats. All right, I'm going to give you a tour of what the house looks like clean without a layer of cat hair all over it. And you let me know in the comments below. Can you tell a difference? You probably can. Keep in mind, this is for the dump. I have to take that to the dump. This can come off the steps. That has to go upstairs. These shoes have to go upstairs. That needs to be closed and placed properly. Those need to be taken care of. And my son needs to vacuum the steps, okay? Other than that, we're doing pretty good. We've only got a couple pairs of shoes here. Okay. These were cleaned. They look fabulous now. Okay. I'm still doing a load of laundry. I have not scrubbed my bathroom, and that is fine. It's not that bad. I will get it done. Then we come into here. I'm going to turn on some light so we can see. That tripod needs to go upstairs. I have my little plants all around. My walking pad just stays right here because I just take it and plug it in over there and walk on it while I watch TV. And I keep the box on it so the cat won't claw it because he claws everything. Okay? Here's the side of where he's clawed that. The back is worse. The back is worse. Whatever. So we've put a table there to try and stop that. Okay. So here's how everything's looking now. I need to find the rest of my peaches to put on the table. I'll put some little fakery there. I added greenery in there. I gotta find my peaches so that they can match my fabulous peachy fiery spider plant. Oh my goodness, what incarnation! Still have to empty my water bucket. Several plants were repotted today. We repotted this one. We repotted my flapjack. We repotted this Hoya. We attempted to repot this. He kept sticking me. We hope he's got enough dirt in there. I wanted to do this, but we don't really know. Added a little dirt to that, my Bambino, because he got knocked over. Repotted my Hoya carnosa. It's variegated. It's a Hindu rope. Some people call it Hindu rope. There's my dirty water. This is the trash bag to remind my son to take the trash out. That's so great. That's what we have to do. I repotted my jade plant into a bigger pot. Ring of Fire, Florida Ghost, I'm sorry. This is an aglaonema that's Chinese evergreen plant is trying to hang on. Aloe vera. This is a philodendron autumn. We don't know if it's going to make it. My philodendron Prince of Orange did not make it. I'm not sure if the oil fern is going to make it. Here's my big curly lipstick. I might take her to work. And then I just put all of my little fun plants over here. The windowsill, the one that likes to be in the windowsill. The carry-eye. Here's my, I don't know if he's gonna make it. I potted this. I had it in water for over a year. It's just part of a Marble Queen pothos that I was rooting for my niece, but she ended up getting one. And then that's my spider plant that I bought last time. Here are the cactus. It looks like it must close up at night. Do y'all know anything about that? Because it's starting to close. Isn't that interesting? Here's Billy, the philodendron bronze. No, Bowie, sorry. His name is Bowie. Then we just have these over here. But the floor, even where the plants are, is pretty darn clean. We might have a few specks of dirt, but not much. I just put my 5th chair over there. Haven't done much over here. Just put my raindrop peperomia there. Stuck a picture up there. Stuck some fakery up there. I've got to find my other one like that. I need to check on him. I don't know if he's been watered. I put my majestic Friedeck in the center of the table because he is so fantastic. Put one of these on. Don't know if he's gonna make it. We're trying. Money trees over here because you got to keep them further away from the light. They get sunburnt real easy. This is a philodendron Brazil, my rubber plant, my philodendron tortum. At least my 4th fiddly fig. We don't know what's going to happen there. This one, we don't know what's going to happen there. That's my rip curl. We'll see what happens. But all of the dirt is up off the floor, which is a fantastic thing. And we have that little pretty one over here. He seems to be curling. We're not sure why. And my rug needs to be washed, so that is not on the floor. This needs to be done still, but right now I'm going to go make some dinner because it is 7 o'clock. I've been cleaning for 6.5 hours. I did not have anything to eat or drink all day. At 5 o'clock, I opened up a bubbly and drank a few sips of that. Then I spilled it. And that is so fantastic. So we're trying to get some of that in because we're real weak. And then we're going to have some tacos for dinner. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give it a hype if you're on your phone. Let me know down below if you have any of the plants you've seen in my home, and if you have any tips or tricks. I would love that. We haven't checked in on my beautiful star, have we? We need to see what's going on in here. I decided to put this bowl here. I can put some greenery and stuff in it just to dress it up a little bit, because I have not decorated for the spring or anything. It's just bare in here. I'm not used to it. But here's my Thai constellation that I got last year. This is her newest leaf right here. You can tell because it's lighter green. And they say when they are healthy and happy that each leaf that comes through will be bigger than the next. So we hope that she's happy and healthy. But it looks like our next one might be coming from that. Oh, we don't know. She's a little leany. So we're going to have to fix that. But she's going to just stay like she is for now. Just kind of hang out and get used to it, because I repotted her a couple of weekends ago. So, pretty leaf. Pretty new leaf. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hype it if you're on a phone. Leave me any comments you have down below. And I'll see you soon in the living room. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Oh, I gotta come see my mommy. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone.